I can see it like slowly. Yeah, there's grease on there. It's oily. What's up, YouTube? M here. So we're messing around with some vinegar, cleaning off some drums. And this one's been sitting in here for 2 days. 2 days. We took it out yesterday to clean it up a little bit. We're gonna take it out right now and see what's going on. Yeah, that's actually really clean. Some grime and a little bit of thick rust, but
it's coming off.
Other than that, that looks really good.
Where'd my sandpaper go? Piece of cake, rust removal.
Now, what grit are you using?
I have no idea.
What grit is that? That's a 120 grit right there.
Yep.
Now, while she does that, we have our 60 grit all the way to 400, whichever may be necessary for cleaning off our rust
here. And these strips, I mean, they're actually for a bandsaw or something like that, or a belt sander.
Yeah.
I found them at the bin store for like $3 for that whole pack.
You found all of these for $3?
Yeah.
Nice.
Gotta save money.
Hey, being thrifty.
Being thrifty. Yep, that'll work. I mean, that's paint.
Yeah. No, the paint will come off.
As far as the rust, there you go. There's rust. All gone.
That stuff's just coming right off.
Yep. Vinegar works great, but we do have a mix of those two in there too. We've got a
oh yeah. So what we have in our container here is we have a mix. We've got our pure acidic acid, and then here's our distilled, which brings us down to 5% acidity. So we did 1.5 gallons of this with about a third gallon, or what is that? That's not a gallon. About a third of this jug, just to bring up the acidity a little bit, and it seems to be working really well.
I love it. Works great. Not so much on that though. I think there's grease or something on here. Yeah. The vinegar's not getting to it.
I can see it like slowly. Yeah. There's grease on there. It's oily.
Scuff it up until you get to the rust. There you go. I'll let it sit in here a little while longer. And
all right, we're about finished sanding all the rust off. Came out really good.
We got a little bit that's still on the front of it, but I'm not worried about that. We'll just clean it up, dry it off, and shoot it with some paint.
Oh yeah, looks really good. Rinsing off the vinegar. Dry it down. And get ready for paint. All right, while we let some paint dry, we go ahead and throw this other drum in. And we might need to add a little bit more fluid.
Nope.
No?
Close the lid.
Close the lid. We'll be back in 2 days. Stay tuned.